The journey has just begun.
MME is everywhere, is it? Big new adventures for all to see. So much to discover in Ghana. The journey never ends, trust me, the journey never ends. Let's go! I always drive carefully. As a motorcycle biker, you surely come across so many bad roads. Hitting a pothole can be very dangerous at any speed. Before you start driving your motorcycle, always take a moment to look at your fuel gauge to ensure you have enough gas to reach your destination. Because operating on a low fuel levels can stress the fuel pump, potentially shorten its lifespan. So don't play with your bike, eh? MME is forever. Let's go! Going. We go. Be very vigilant when you are riding. Most car drivers do not watch out for motorcycles. They are too busy driving with their phones shoved off their bomb-clat ass. Most accidents I've seen have been the cause of someone in a car not seeing or not looking for someone on a motorcycle. Be very vigilant when you are riding. Most car drivers do not watch out for motorcycles. They are too busy driving with their phones shoved off their bomb-clat ass. Most accidents I've seen have been the cause of someone in a car not seeing or not looking for someone on a motorcycle. Always slow down when you come across roads like this. Hitting a pothole can be very dangerous at any speed. It will check the front wheel to one side, causing loss of control and a crash. Make your hands too firm and strong. The bigger pothole can definitely spoil your day. Make your hands too firm and strong. The bigger pothole can definitely spoil your day. So make your hands firm and strong. Always slow down when there is a traffic ahead, because other people may be crossing the road as well. Someone once a mama slow down our trip, we a mistake. On the kubu be our special. We been here in the church. Must slow it down. Some that's we a mistake. Now with the moto, Ecobo be you always say me. Also very rough. Always obey traffic signals to ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road. You should stop at a red light even if there are no cars, no human being crossing the road. Red means stop. Green means you can go. Boom, I'm going. Always drive safely and carefully.